How to delete watch history on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to delete watch history on Facebook. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. First, launch Facebook app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign in to your account. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down, tap Settings and Privacy. Select Settings. On the Settings and Privacy page, scroll to the bottom of the screen and locate Activity Log, which is under your activity. Tap Activity Log. At the top, you will see different kinds of tabs, that is Public Post, Public Tags, Story Activity, Page Likes, and similarly you need to scroll and tap on Videos Watched. Once the section opens, these are all the videos that you have watched on Facebook. In order to clear videos you have watched on Facebook, you can tap Clear Video Watch History at once. If you wish to delete a particular watch video, tap three dots next to any video and tap Delete button. To clear all, tap Clear Video Watch History and tap Clear button. And that's it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.